In a street fight, there's no referee, no rules, and no time to hesitate. The key to surviving is understanding the most brutal and effective techniques to incapacitate your attacker in seconds. These are the top 7 self-defense moves that could mean the difference between walking away unscathed or ending up on the ground. No fancy footwork, just pure raw survival. These moves are designed to end the fight fast, when every second counts. Let's dive into the techniques that could save your life. Move 7. The elbow strike to the ribs. We're starting with the elbow to the ribs, one of the quickest and most effective strikes you can use in close quarters. The ribs are a vulnerable target, and a sharp elbow strike to the side can immediately cause pain, fracture bones, and incapacitate your opponent. This move doesn't require any elaborate technique. It's about precision and power. A sudden, well-placed elbow to the ribs will leave your attacker gasping for air and unable to continue. It works especially well when you're up close and need to disable your opponent quickly. The force behind the elbow, combined with its speed, makes it an ideal move for when there's no room for punches or kicks. It's simple but incredibly effective in neutralizing threats. Move 6. The palm strike to the throat. The palm strike to the throat is one of the most effective ways to stop an opponent in their tracks. The throat is highly vulnerable, and a quick strike with the palm of your hand can cause immediate difficulty breathing. The advantage of using the palm over a fist is that it delivers more force with less effort, making it easier to execute. A solid strike to the trachea can disrupt your opponent's airway, leaving them gasping for air. This move not only causes pain, but also forces your opponent into a panic as they struggle to breathe. It's a fast, powerful strike that gives you control of the situation, forcing your opponent to either retreat or lose the fight entirely. In high-pressure moments, this simple yet devastating strike can be a game-changer. Move 5. The knee strike to the face. The knee strike to the face is an explosive technique that utilizes the power of your legs. When in close range, raising your knee directly into your opponent's face can break bones, cause concussions, or even knock them out cold. The force behind a knee strike comes from your entire body, creating a sudden, powerful impact that leaves no time for your opponent to react. Whether it's aimed at the chin, nose, or forehead, the knee's sharpness and power are unmatched in close quarters combat. What makes this move so effective is that it doesn't require precision like a punch, just the natural momentum of your body driving the knee upward. It's perfect for when you're clinched and need to create space or end the fight instantly. Move 4. The elbow to the face. The elbow to the face is a move that can end a fight quickly and with minimal effort. The elbow, with its sharp, solid edge, is ideal for striking at close range. A well-placed elbow to the face, whether to the nose, chin, or jaw, can break bones, cause concussions, or instantly knock out your opponent. Unlike punches, the elbow doesn't require a large wind-up or a long reach, making it perfect when you're trapped in a clinch or very close to your opponent. The power of the strike comes from the angle and the speed, which leaves your opponent little time to defend. It's a devastating move that can completely shut down an attacker, leaving them unable to continue the fight or even get back up. To apply this move effectively, drive your elbow upward or sideways while keeping your body compact, using your hips for power. Make sure to target soft spots like the nose or jaw for maximum impact. If you're in a clinch or caught too close for punches, use your body's natural momentum and torque to strike quickly and decisively. Move 3. The shoulder strike to the jaw. The shoulder strike to the jaw uses the natural power of your body to deliver a devastating blow. When you're close to your opponent and they're trying to punch or grapple, driving your shoulder into their jaw can knock them off balance and cause immediate pain. The shoulder is a solid part of the body, and using it as a striking point can create a powerful impact. This move doesn't need precision, just the sheer force of your body's mass. A direct strike to the jaw can disorient your opponent, making them dazed and confused, leaving them vulnerable to follow-up attacks. It's particularly effective when you need to break free from a clinch or when you're too close to land a punch. To apply this move, step off to the side and drive your shoulder directly into their jaw, using your whole body for power. The key is to be quick and explosive, aiming for the jawline or chin, which can cause your opponent to lose control of their posture. It's a great way to disrupt their balance and create the space needed to follow up or escape. Move 2. The throat crush. The throat crush is one of the most lethal techniques in self-defense. A direct strike to the trachea with the edge of your hand or a ridge hand can collapse the airway, causing immediate difficulty breathing. This move forces your opponent to focus on their own survival as they struggle for air. The throat is an unprotected, sensitive area, making it a perfect target when you need to incapacitate your opponent quickly. Not only does it cause intense pain, but it can also render your attacker completely helpless within seconds. A strike to the throat leaves your opponent unable to breathe or fight back, giving you the time and space you need to escape or neutralize the threat. It's a quick and effective way to shut down the fight. Move 1. The spinning back fist to the temple. Finally, the spinning back fist to the temple is a brutal and unpredictable strike that can end a fight in one blow. The spinning motion adds force to the strike, allowing you to land a powerful hit to the side of the head or temple. The temple is a vulnerable area, and a clean back fist can cause concussions, brain trauma, or even knock the opponent unconscious. The beauty of this move is in its unpredictability. The spinning motion makes it difficult for your opponent to anticipate, giving you the upper hand. One clean hit, and the fight is over. This strike works best when your opponent is distracted, or when you have an opening to land a surprise blow. The force generated by the spin gives you a massive advantage, ensuring that your opponent has no chance of recovering. These 7 self-defense moves aren't just for show, they're for survival. Master them, and you'll have the tools you need to protect yourself.